afternoon, madam. My name is K. Manadip. My TED Talk topic is relative sensitivity. The reacting relative sensitivity means the reacting power of the human eye to the light waves of different wavelengths varies from person to person and also varies with age. The average relative sensitivity as shown in figure in below. The eye is most sensitive for a wavelength of 5500 amperes. So that the relative sensitivity according to this wavelength is taken as unity. The blue and violet corresponding to the short wavelengths and red to the long wavelength, orange, yellow and green being in the middle of the visible region of wavelength. The color corresponding to 5500 is not suitable for most of the applications since yellowish green. The relative sensitivity at a particular wavelength is known as relative luminance factor. It is the symbolic representation of K. As shown in figure, the average relative sensitivity for example, in y-axis, the starting 0.2 to 1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.81. Eye sensitivity, x-axis is wavelength. Next one, light. It is defined as the radiant energy for a hot body that products the visual sensation upon the human eye. It is expressed in lumen hours. It analogous to watt hours, which denoted by the symbol Q. Next, luminous flux. It is defined as the energy in the form of light waves radiated per second from a luminous body. It is represented by the symbol flux pi and measured in lumens. Example, suppose the luminous body is an incandescent lamp. The total electrical power input to the lamp is not converted to luminous flux. Some of the power lost through conduction, convection and radiation, etc. A fraction of the remaining radiant flux is in the form of light waves lies in between the visual range of wavelength, that is between 4000 and 7000 amperes, as shown in figure below. Next, in power వచ్చేసి input power, radiant flux, luminous flux. Power lost as non-luminous flux, power lost by conduction, convection, etc. This is the flux diagram. Radiant efficiency. When an electric current is passed through a conductor, some heat is produced to I square loss, which increases its temperature to the conductor. At low temperature, conductor radiates energy in the form of heat waves, but at very high temperatures, radiated energy will be in the form of light as well as heat waves. Radiant efficiency is defined ratio of energy radiated in the form of light produces sensation of vision in the total energy radiated out by the luminous body. Radiant efficiency, energy radiated in the form of light, total energy radiated by the body. This is the relative sensitivity. Next, plane angle. A plane angle is the angle subtended at a point in the plane by two converging lines. It is denoted by the Greek letter theta and is usually measured in degrees or radians. One radian is defined as the angle suspended by an arc of a circle, whose length by an arc of a circle, whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. It shows the figure plane angle. Radius arc angle వచ్చేసి next plane angle arc by radius. This is the formula. Next one, solid angle. Solid angle is the angle subtended at a point in space by an area that is the angle enclosed in the volume formed by numerous lines lying on the surface and meeting at the point. It is usually denoted by symbol omega and is measured in steradian. See the figure in solid angle. Next, form solid angle omega is equals to area by radius square. The largest solid angle subtended at the center of sphere. W is equals to area of sphere by radius square. 4 pi r square by r square equals to 4 pi steradians.